Hey, this is the fifth video on the GitHub achievement badges. Now we have received YOLO, Galaxy Brain, Bull Shark, Qtro, and Starstruck by now. Now the two badges remaining is like public sponsor and pair extraordinate. So we will be discussing about how to get a public sponsor badge in this particular video. Now I would be really happy to sponsor you. So this you get only if somebody do sponsor to you. Now I have dropped a couple of videos before how to get GitHub sponsor button active. So you have to go to the GitHub sponsor, search GitHub sponsor, click on GitHub sponsor. Now here you have to sign up with your current GitHub account to get sponsored, right? So now what you need to do is right now this profile has not been sponsored. So what you need to do is like you have an option to your sponsor button over here, and you need to get enabled get sponsored button. It will ask you a couple of videos, and I'm linking the particular video which I was spoke about how to apply for this. Now that will take some time for you to get approved, so please refer to that particular video and watch it. Now I will show you how exactly I'm doing it for any other people. For example, let me take a person who contributed into my organization over here. So maybe I will select a random person. Alright, maybe let me know someone who can I share it. So I'm going to only do a small amount. So these are the people who contributed to the organization which I have been part of. So I would really like to sponsor some amount to Dinesh. So you can see his account has already been sponsor enabled. So this is how you get it. So he has no GitHub sponsor badge before because no one has sponsored him before. So this is the first time he's getting sponsor button. So what you do is like, as a sponsor, what I'll be doing is like I'll be clicking on this sponsor button over here. And again, you don't have to do this to get it. It's like basically like someone has to sponsor you. So he has created an amazing repository over here. I hope he has enabled a smaller price than $1. Then I can sponsor him. Else the least amount is $5. All right, maybe for this video it's fine to give him $5. All right, it doesn't matter. So what I'm be doing is like I'll be donating him $5 right now. Then he will be able to get that sponsor. So for you people who watch this particular video, what I suggest you is like be part of one of my organization. For example, when you come to my profile, and these are my organization, try to join over here, do some great contribution over here, and share your contribution directly with me on my LinkedIn or below the YouTube channel. So that would be like a way to say you a thank you. So I will be sponsoring a small amount for you guys, and make sure that keep a less amount. If you're just looking for a badge, just make sure that there is like $1 amount is enabled. $5 is still a huge amount. So I would be selecting the sponsor button. You can see I have make your sponsorship page go further when you share it on social media. All right, so I have sponsored him some amount. All right, so now when we go back to his profile right now, you will be able to see a sponsor button over here. All right, so I already made a payment to Dinesh right now. So now I go back to his profile over here, close this, and I go to Dinesh profile. You will be able to see a sponsor button is appearing over his profile because somebody else has been sponsored to his account. So ideally there should be a button over here. It usually might take some time to appear because sponsor, it will take some verification whether the fund has been transferred or not, something like that. So that's how you get that particular badge over here. So so the reason why I sponsored Dinesh is because Dinesh been helping me with one of my repository over here. So he's one of the maintainer. So he kind of helped me to create an awesome GitHub profile and done amazing developments over here. So that's why I was not even hesitant to sponsor him, because I was planning it for a long time. I know that $5 amount is like pretty small amount, but for the sake of this video, I'm just creating that particular thing so you can see how exactly that thing is working. So ideally it should appear instant. As I mentioned, you can see there is like a sponsored tag appeared over here, and it has my name over here. And usually this particular badge updates, for example, for extra pair ordinate and for the sponsor, it will take some time to appear over here. So I will put Dinesh profile link in the description below so you can go back and explore it later. Alright, thank you for watching this video. In the next one, we will be dealing with the last badge which you can achieve on the GitHub achievements. Alright, okay, see you in the next video. Bye.